My name is Paul Rodden, and welcome to the Hydrogen Podcast.
So then you would have a really good understanding on the challenges in hydrogen distribution. What are the main challenges you see in the distribution of liquid hydrogen for heavy-duty trucks?
So the first thing is there is no surprise that hydrogen, being the smallest molecule in the universe, bring its own challenges when it comes to storage and transportation.
Mm-hmm.
There are essentially three formats you can manage hydrogen, right? One is the gaseous format. There are two typical pressure settings you can work with. One is at 350 bar and another is 700 bar, which is currently the more mature technology. However, the liquid format in the cryogenic states provides much more energy density, which helps to address the vehicle range. And it keeps the overall architecture of the vehicle occupying less space on the chassis and at the back of the cabin. There are these two formats, and the last one is a bit of a mix of both. We call it a cryo-compressed, which is, in a very simplified way, is basically putting a mix of both technologies together. But this last one is also technically more challenging to deal with from a thermodynamics standpoint. So for the liquid hydrogen side, the biggest challenge is to handle the molecule at very low temperature, especially for flammability aspects. So in other words, liquefaction, storage, and final use are the big themes that we try to tackle in this complex environment.
How does OPW CES address the safety concerns associated with liquid hydrogen distribution and refueling?
Yeah, that's a good question. Many of the components that are present in the market today were once standardized from our team support. So they have been helping to validate the process because we bring experts with over 40 years of experience executing hydrogen and cryogenic projects. So through these technical forums and committees like the Compressed Gas Association, ISO, and others, we have been able to establish a strong reputation to serve the gas majors producers along with distributors and end users. And more recently, over the last couple of years, we were invited to join a technical group that is based out of Germany to start drafting the coupling technology for heavy-duty trucks that will carry the liquid hydrogen on board. So this group is composed by OEMs, hydrogen producers, and some of the most experienced companies in the market. And in addition to that, we have been serving the LNG truck market for decades now. So we deeply understand all the safety variables that are part of the process. So we're not starting from zero.
Hey, this is Paul. I hope you liked this podcast. If you did and want to hear more, I'd appreciate it if you would either subscribe to this channel on YouTube or connect with your favorite platform through my website at www.thehydrogenpodcast.com. Thanks for listening. I very much appreciate it. Have a great day.